Here's how to easily create your discussion courses or questions in Canvas. Now, once you actually have the course that you want to add a discussion to, I'm going to click on it. And when you click on it, you can actually see there's a discussion tab right here. If you don't see the discussion tab though, you want to go to settings on the bottom of the screen. And you click on navigation, and you can actually see it'll be one of these tabs right here. It might be down here if you actually removed it. But once you actually see this, you want to click on discussions page, click on add discussion, and you can actually add your title, whatever you want it to be, as well as the description, what you want the students to actually discuss. Once you've wrote your description as well as your title, we can scroll down and add an attachment, whether you want this to be a document that you want them to read more about, or an image you want them to look at to maybe discuss, like so. Once you've done that, you can actually double click it to add it, or you don't have to add one, and we can actually scroll down and choose whether you want this to be a anonymous discussion or a public discussion. If you want students' name to be hidden, you can check this box right here, or if you want it to be public, you can click on this off button right here, or you can choose partial if you want students to choose if they can or cannot view other people's posts or not. And if we scroll down, we can actually choose if we want this to be expanded or collapsed. Expanded means that more people can respond to discussion posts that students have left. Like, for example, if I said a response to my current post up here, some students could reply inside of a comment, basically responding directly to my post. With expanded or collapse means no one can respond to a student's post. I'm going to expand it for this. And if you want them to be sorted in order when students log on, they can actually see the newest first, or they can see the oldest first, or you can actually lock it for of students, whether this be alphabetical order or etc. I'm just going to do oldest first, and if we scroll down, we can assign this to either everyone or certain people in certain classes just on this page right here. And if you want it to be available from this date to that date, and you can actually have it lock after this date, like so, and click on save and publish option, we can actually see if we go into student view right here, we can actually see that our discussion post has been created, and the students can click on respond as well as respond to the post however they would like to, like this, and click on respond, and you can actually see the post how they will respond, and they can reply like this right here, and click on reply, and you can see the chain will go on like so. And that's all you need to do to create a discussion post.